Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something near and dear to all our hearts. Free anime, that's right bros. I've got your back with the ultimate guide to the top 20 free anime streaming websites. Whether you're a seasoned weeb who can quote every line from One Piece or you're just starting your anime journey and don't know your shonen from your shoujo, don't worry, I'll explain it all. This list has something for everyone. We've got legal sites, not so legal sites, sites with more ads than a YouTube rewind video, and everything in between. So, grab your ramen, get comfy, and let's dive into the wonderful world of free anime. First up, we've got the big boy, the one you've probably already heard of, Crunchyroll. This is like the Netflix of anime, but with a free tier that lets you watch a ton of anime with ads. Not ideal, I know, but hey, at least it's legal. Crunchyroll has a massive library of anime, from classics like Cowboy Bebop to the latest and greatest like Demon Slayer. They also have simulcasts, which means you can watch new episodes as soon as they air in Japan. The only downside, some shows are region-locked, so you might not be able to watch everything depending on where you live. But hey, that's what VPNs are for, right? Next up, we've got Funimation, the go-to platform for all you English dub fans out there. Look, I get it, sometimes you just don't want to read subtitles while you're shoving popcorn in your face. Funimation has a solid selection of dubbed anime, including popular titles like My Hero Academia and Attack on Titan. They also have simuldubs, which means you can watch dubbed episodes shortly after they air in Japan. The downside? You guessed it, ads. And again, some content is region restricted. Seriously, what's with these streaming services and their region locking? Okay, now we're getting into the good stuff, the not-so-legal sites. 9anime is a popular choice for free anime streaming, and for good reason. They have a huge library of subbed and dubbed anime, all in glorious HD. And the best part? Minimal ads. I know, it's almost too good to be true. But here's the catch, because it's not an official site, you might run into some pop-up ads. And by some, I mean a lot. But hey, you gotta take the good with the bad, right? Just be careful out there and make sure you have a good ad blocker. Gogoanime is another veteran in the free anime streaming game. It's been around forever, and it has a massive library of anime in multiple languages. You want it, they probably have it. They also update regularly, so you'll always have something new to watch. But here's the thing. Gogoanime is about as shady as it gets. You're gonna see more ads than you can shake a stick at, and there's always the risk of downloading a virus. So, browse at your own risk, my friends. Anime heaven sounds like a dream, right? And in some ways it is. They have a great selection of anime series and movies, all in high quality. You can even download episodes to watch offline. But, here's the catch. Anime Heaven is another unofficial site, so expect the usual suspects, ads, pop-ups, and the occasional broken link. Seriously, sometimes you'll click on an episode and it just won't work. It's like playing anime roulette. If you're the type of person who needs to watch every single episode of every single anime ever made, then Anime Freak is for you. This site has a truly massive anime collection, with daily updates and advanced search filters that let you find exactly what you're looking for. And the best part? No sign-up required. You can just jump right in and start watching. But of course, there's a downside. The ads on Anime Freak can be pretty intrusive, and since it's an unofficial site, it might be blocked in some countries. Ah, Kisanime, we hardly knew ye. Once upon a time, Kisanime was the king of free anime streaming. It had everything you could ever want, a huge library, high-quality streams, and a loyal fan base. But then, tragedy struck. Kisanime was shut down. But like a phoenix rising from the ashes, Kisanime lives on... sort of. There are now countless mirror sites claiming to be the real Kisanime, but most of them are just cheap knockoffs filled with ads and viruses. So proceed with caution, my friends. Chia Anime is another solid option for free anime streaming. They have a good selection of anime, and they also offer soundtracks and manga, which is a nice bonus. The streaming is usually pretty fast, and you can download episodes to watch offline. But be warned, Chia Anime is notorious for its pop-up ads. Seriously, they're like digital cockroaches, they just keep popping up everywhere. And some of the servers can be a bit slow, so you might experience some buffering. AnimeDAO is a great option if you're looking for high-quality streams with minimal buffering. Seriously, this site loads faster than I can eat a plate of spicy ramen. They also have a decent selection of anime, both subbed and dubbed. However, AnimeDAO doesn't have as many older titles as some of the other sites on this list. So if you're looking for classic anime, you might have to look elsewhere. Anime Planet is another legal anime streaming site, which means you can watch your favorite shows without feeling guilty or worrying about getting arrested. They have a massive library of over 45,000 anime episodes, as well as community features and a manga section. But here's the catch: you need to sign up for a free account to access all the features. And like many other sites on this list, some content is region-locked. Masterani is a great option if you're looking for a user-friendly site with high-quality streams. You don't even need to create an account to start watching. They have a good selection of anime, both subbed and dubbed, and the site is easy to navigate. But here's the thing: Masterani is another unofficial site, which means it could disappear at any moment. So, enjoy it while it lasts, I guess. Anime Ultima is another solid option for free anime streaming. They have a huge selection of anime, and they also have community forums where you can discuss your favorite shows with other fans. It's a great way to connect with other weebs and share your love of anime. Of course, there's a downside. Anime Ultima does have ads, but they're not as intrusive as some of the other sites on this list. Tubi TV is a legal streaming service that offers a small selection of free anime. It's not a lot, but hey, beggars can't be choosers, right? Tubi is available on multiple devices, and you don't need a subscription to watch the free content. But don't expect to find the latest and greatest anime here. Tubi's anime library is pretty limited, and you'll have to sit through some ads. AniWatcher is a no-frills anime streaming site that gets straight to the point. They have a good selection of anime in HD, and you don't need to create an account to start watching. It's a simple, straightforward site that's perfect for when you just want to watch some anime without any hassle. However, AniWatcher is another unofficial site, so keep that in mind. Anime Vibe is another great option for free anime streaming. They have a fast-loading website, low ad frequency, and both subbed and dubbed versions of many popular anime. You'll also find a decent variety of genres to choose from. However, Anime Vibe doesn't have as many older anime titles as some of the other sites on this list. Animeland is a great option for English dub fans. They have a good selection of dubbed anime, and you don't need to create an account to start watching. They also offer HD quality streaming, so you can enjoy your favorite shows in all their glory. However, Animeland only offers dubbed anime, so if you're a sub purist, you'll have to look elsewhere. Analinks is another decent option for free anime streaming. They have a variety of anime content, and they update their library regularly with new releases. You also don't need to create an account to start watching. However, Analinks does have ads, which can be a bit annoying. VRV is a legal streaming platform that includes Crunchyroll content as part of its library. So if you're a fan of Crunchyroll, you'll definitely want to check out VRV. They offer a free tier with ads, and you can watch on multiple devices. However, some content on VRV is premium only, so you'll need to subscribe to access everything. Hulu is primarily a paid streaming service, but they do offer a limited selection of free anime. It's not much, but it's better than nothing, right? Hulu is a legal and safe platform with high-quality streaming. However, most of the anime on Hulu requires a subscription, but hey, maybe one day they'll have a change of heart and offer more free anime. You might be surprised to learn that YouTube is actually a great place to find free anime. Many anime studios upload episodes to their official YouTube channels, so you can watch them legally and for free. You don't even need a YouTube account to watch. However, YouTube's free anime selection can be a bit hit or miss. You won't find every anime series ever made on YouTube, and some anime might not be available worldwide due to licensing restrictions. And that's our list of the top 20 free anime streaming websites. Whether you're a hardcore anime fan who breathes, sleeps, and eats anime, or you're just looking for something new to watch, there's something here for everyone. Just remember to be careful out there, especially when using the not-so-legal sites. Use a good ad blocker and don't download anything from a source you don't trust. Now go forth, my fellow weebs, and enjoy the wonderful world of free anime. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.